welcome to my video. Today, I will give a tips for all about how to make a brown sugar skim cake that's brown like a flower. As you know, the soft texture and the sweetness taste from this cake makes all people love so much to this cake, both children to adults, and the typical Indonesian culinary that is sold in various regions. And this can make with very easy way. Then we can present in family events and other events. Okay guys, let's try it.
First step, add 500 grams of brown sugar into medium-sized container which has been provided. Then add 500 grams of flour. Add 50 grams of sun sugar. Crack 4 eggs. And 2 peaches vanilla powder, and add the important things is 2 teaspoons of TBM, a pretty living secret of cake like a flower. After all the ingredients have been added, pour 2 glasses of warm water. Second step, you must prepare the mixer. Then, mix all the ingredients got mixed up evenly. A few minutes later, all the milk must be mixed up. Third step, after all the ingredients got mixed up, pour the dough in a mold or steam sponge cup. Fourth step, put the steam sponge cup in a pan that has been heated and steamed for approximately 20 minutes. In order for the dough not to be exposed to moisture, seal the lid of the steam pot by using cloth or napkin. And the last step is wait until the cake expands, and after 20 minutes, the finished cake can leave and present.
Okay, all cooking lovers, it is the end of my video. And for all who want to make brown sugar skim cakes, just don't have viewers. I hope this video can be useful to all of you all. Then, thank you for watching.